The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a meticulously crafted design that seamlessly blends the durability of surgical-grade stainless steel with the elegance of precision-cut glass. The device's curves are smooth and inviting, offering a comfortable grip that belies its powerful capabilities. The stainless steel frame is not merely a structural element, it also adds a touch of sophistication that sets the iPhone 16 Pro Max apart from its predecessors. The 16 Pro Max's display is a marvel of engineering. The 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED panel delivers stunning visuals with exceptional contrast, brightness, and color accuracy. The ProMotion technology ensures a silky smooth scrolling experience, making every interaction with the device a joy. The display is bright and vibrant with excellent contrast and color accuracy. It's easy to see in various lighting conditions, and HDR content looks fantastic. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features the powerful A18 Pro processor, while the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus use the slightly less powerful A18. The A18 Pro offers excellent performance for demanding tasks thanks to its 2 high-performance cores, 4 efficient cores, 6 graphics cores, and 16 neural engine cores. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a significant camera upgrade, including a new camera control button for easy access to advanced shooting options. The main and ultra-wide cameras both have 48-megapixel sensors, with the main camera boasting improved low-light performance. The telephoto camera now offers 5 times optical zoom, and both Pro models can capture stunning video in 4K resolution at up to 120 frames per second. However, some users may find Apple's approach to photo processing, which tends to brighten shadows and saturate colors, to be less realistic. The camera control button is a physical button located on the right side of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It allows users to quickly open the camera app, take photos, and start recording videos. The button also provides access to a sub-menu of advanced camera settings such as exposure, depth of field, zoom, cameras, styles, and tone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max's main camera is a 48-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization. It uses Apple's Fusion technology to combine 48-megapixel shots with 12-megapixel quad Bayer shots to create 24-megapixel final images. This results in images with more detail and better low-light performance. The ultra-wide camera is also a 48-megapixel sensor with a 120-degree field of view. In addition to the camera upgrades, the iPhone 16 Pro Max also features a new action mode for smoother video stabilization, cinematic mode for depth of field effects, and spatial audio capture for immersive video experiences. The iPhone 16 Pro Max lives up to its name, boasting the longest battery life among iPhones according to our tests. This year, Apple increased the battery capacity by 6% compared to the 15 Pro Max, bringing it to a sizable 4,685 milliampere. The phone also supports faster charging than previous iPhones. It supports 25-watt MagSafe charging with a compatible power brick, 15-watt Qi 2 wireless charging, and a significant upgrade to 45-watt wired charging. While there's still no charger included in the box, the included USB-C cable is high quality. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max is the best iPhone for creators and artists who want a powerful handset to capture and process their content. It's got the biggest and best screen of any iPhone, the longest battery life, plenty of speed, and lightning-quick connectivity for uploading and downloading as needed. Its cameras are very good, and its video capture functionality is particularly outstanding. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is easy to recommend to anyone looking for a one-stop content creation shop.